Hey guys, today we're on 7.5 Special Types of Linear Systems. So far, every problem we did has had one solution, like x equals something, y equals something. That's one solution. But it turns out that sometimes you're going to get no solutions work, and sometimes you're going to get infinitely many solutions work. So today we're going to talk about the difference between those three things. So one solution is when the lines cross at one spot. Okay, we're not going to actually fill in the notes, but if the solutions cross at one spot, that's one solution. Sometimes the lines never cross, and if that happens, then that's no solution. Because if they're not going to cross, they won't have an intersection, so they won't have a solution. And lastly, sometimes the lines are actually on each other. They're actually the same line, and that would be infinitely many solutions. So let me show you what it looks like when you actually try to solve a problem. So if you guys go to the next page, go ahead. You're just going to solve it, and something weird might happen. So let's start there. So number one, we're going to graph the two lines and see what happens. So this one, we begin at 1, and the slope is up 1, right 2, up 1, right 2. All right, so that's our first line. And then go ahead and graph the second line. So that one, we're going to start at y equals -3 and go up 1, right 2, up 1, right 2. Okay, so we're going to connect those dots. And those are our two lines. Okay, well here's the problem. They never cross. So when that happens, you would say that there are no solutions. All right, number 2. This one I would probably solve by elimination. And let's see what happens. Well, these cancel. So we're left with 0 equals 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay, so that's weird. So when everything cancels, if this number does not equal this number, it would be no solution. Because 0 does not equal 9. So that's never going to happen. No solution. All right, moving on. Number 3. This one, guys, I'm thinking substitution, right? Because we know that y equals this, so that means we can put this into y when we rewrite this equation. So it's going to be x plus, all right, in for y, we're going to plug in -x plus 1, and then equals -4. So good old substitution. There's nothing to distribute. So we didn't really need those parentheses, right? I'm just going to rewrite it without the parentheses then. And if you guys add like terms, x plus -x cancel, and you're left with 1 equals -4. Well, kind of the same thing as number 2. 1 does not equal -4, so this is no solution again. You can't solve it, right? Because the x's are gone and you're left with two numbers that are not equal. So no solution. And lastly, number 4, I would do elimination. So if you add these cancel, you're left with 0 equals, well, these cancel too. So 0 equals 0. Well, in this case, 0 does equal 0. And that's always true. So this is finally our first one that is infinitely many solutions. Some people, instead of writing infinitely many, they just write all solutions. Some people put an infinity symbol to represent all solutions. Any one of those is fine. Okay, well that one was really short actually. So in today's worksheet, the next couple pages, you're just saying if there's one solution, no solution, or infinitely many. All right, that's it.